The program is to check whether user entered string is palindrome or not. So first of all, what is the palindrome string? Palindrome string is a string for which reverse of that string equals the original string. The example of palindrome string is level. So if you consider this string, if you read it from left to right or right to left, level, and from right to left also level, so it is the same. So for that means level is a palindrome string. So what I am supposed to do, I will take one string from the user and I will print output whether it is a palindrome string or not. The another examples of palindrome strings are Nitin is a palindrome string, then Malayalam. These are the palindrome strings. Now how to apply logic for that? So what I am supposed to do here, I will compare the first character with last character, second with second last, third with third last, and so on till the middle of the array. So suppose what I do, first of all I calculate the length of the array and I store that length into some len variable. So len variable suppose is having the length of the array, and after that I will write one for loop. So it will be for I equals to 0, I is less than len by 2 I plus plus. I will vary the I index from 0 to length by 2. Now during this traversal I will compare this character with this character. So if this is 0th character, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4th character. In general, it will be len minus 1th character. Since length is 5 in this case, this is len minus 1, this is len minus 2. So what I will do, I will compare 0th character, that means ith character, str of I, with str of len minus 1 minus I. And now when I compare, if the characters are same, then I will go ahead to compare the next pair of character. But if the characters are different, then no need to compare ahead, because once I get a different pair of character, that means it is not a palindrome string. So what I will do here, I will check if str of I not equals to str. So str is the name of the array where I am storing the string. Str of len minus I minus 1. So if I do not have same characters in that pair, then obviously that is not a palindrome string. So here you can directly print it is not a palindrome string and you can break the loop. Otherwise outside you can print it is a palindrome string. Instead of that, even you can make use of flag variable. So I will have some integer variable which is flag, initially 0, and I will set that variable to 1 here. So afterwards I will write if else. If the flag value is 0, that means the string is a palindrome string. If the flag value is 1, means it is not a palindrome string. So I will declare str array, which is used to store the string entered by the user. So suppose 100 is the size. Then I will declare I variable, then len variable to store the length. So first of all I will accept the string from the user. So here enter string, and I will store that into str. So scanf %s comma str. Now after that for loop will be there where I will change from I equals to 0, I less than len by 2. So I did not yet calculate the length of the string. So first of all I need to find out the length of the string. So for that I will write one more loop here. So let me again make use of I variable only, I is 0, and till I do not get null character into the string. So till str of I not equals to \0, I will increment the len variable. So here len equals to 0, and I also need to increment the I variable. So even I can make use of len variable here itself, so that no need to take the separate I variable for traversal. So len is 0 initially, and till I do not get the null character into that array, len plus plus will happen. Once the null character is encountered, it will come out of this while loop. So if you if you print the alien value here, it will be having the length of the string. So anyways, I am not going for that. So alien is having the length of the string. After that, for loop will be there for I0 I less than alien by 2 I plus plus. Then here I will check if I will check str of I with str of alien minus 1 minus I. And what did I tell you? If they are not same, that means it is a, if those characters are not same, that means it is not a palindrome string. So here I will set the flag value 1. So flag is initially 0, so I have to declare the flag variable here, and I will set it to 1. Once I set the flag variable, that means once I come to know that it is not a palindrome string, then no need to execute the for loop ahead. So I will break the loop, and outside the for loop I will check the flag value. So if flag equals to 0, then I will print palindrome, and if flag value is something else, that means if flag value is 1, I will print not palindrome. So let me run. So level is the palindrome string, so I will enter that level. It's printing palindrome. If I enter some other string, say I enter say India, then it is not a palindrome string. So this program is running. Now if I want to write a function, so I have written the code in the main function only, but if I want to have some different function which will check whether the string is palindrome or not, then I will declare that function here. So suppose I declare one function which is int check palindrome. Now why did I keep the return type as integer? Because I want to return the status. It will either return 0 or 1. If it is a palindrome, it will return say 0, and if it's not palindrome, then it will return 1. So here I will accept the character array. So you can declare it like this, or you can make use of pointer notation. And definition of that check palindrome function, I will write it here. So it will be int check palindrome. It is taking string str, and the code that you have written here, the logic that you have written, I will move that into the function definition. So I will cut it from here and I will paste it here. Now all the variables like len, I, they will become the local variable of that function. Then flag variable, so I have to declare them here, and I will remove it from main function. I will remove them from main function. So in the main function only str declaration is there, and okay, one more variable, say result variable, which will receive the status, or rather let me give the name as status. So status variable will receive either 0 or 1. So I will make the function call here, and after that function call I will check the status value. So here function call will be status equals to check palindrome, and I will pass the str string to that function. So this will be the code. So now let me run. So if I say Nitin is not a palindrome. Okay, what is wrong? I have to return that flag value. I set the flag, but I did not return any value. So I will say return flag here. That flag is nothing but the status. So now Nitin, yes, it is a palindrome. If I say Malayalam, then also it is a palindrome. If I give some other string, suppose I give some random string ABCDE, then it is not palindrome. So this is the program to check whether a string is palindrome or not. Thank you so much for watching.